So I wanted to go over real quickly cutting board maintenance. I've made several cutting boards over the years. They're great projects to make. They last forever, and they usually turn out pretty well. But one of the things that you do have to do from time to time is you have to maintain your boards. And in this case, it's probably going to be impossible to see in the video, but there's a lot of cut lines going across my board, and on one side I even got a little bit of staining going on it. So I wanted to show in the video real quick how I maintain these. And what I do is I start off by sanding really well both sides, and I use 3 different grits of sandpaper. I start off with a 60 grit, which is very coarse, move on to a medium grit, and then finish it with a fine grit of 220. Some people even use 4 and 5 different grits. But we do that so that we can condition the wood fibers in the board to absorb finish, or oil in this case. And in the past, I've used a product called Salad Bowl Finish. It's available at Rockler. It's a food safe oil. Really like it. It's been solid for me. But I wanted to try something different, and so I picked up a couple more bottles of Howard's cutting board oil and Howard's Butcher Block conditioner. Both are supposed to be food grade. This is more of a mineral oil. This is more of a wax. And so when I get done sanding, I'll apply probably 3 coats of the cutting board oil. I think I'll actually let that sit overnight, and then I'll be ready for the wax or the conditioner after that. So stick around for the video. I'll show you how I do all that. And as always, be sure to check out my website at woodlogger.com, where I'll post more detailed information about this project and other projects I have going on in my shop. All right, guys, so there it is. I've got my cutting board all done, sanded it. Still got a few little marks here and there, but it looks 1000% better than it did. Applied a couple coats of the cutting board oil, let that seep in, and then applied another coat. And then I applied the butcher board conditioner, or the wax, to it as well. So I should be good to go for a number of years with this. So as always, thanks for watching my video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, check out my website at woodlogger.com, where you can get more detailed information about this, as well as other projects going on in my shop.